Unraveling the Meaning of Mint Leaf, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. We are going to explore the meaning of the phrase, mint leaf. This might seem simple at first, but it's a great way to enhance your vocabulary and understand how words come together to form meanings. So, let's dive in and discover the world of mint leaves together. Before we delve into the phrase itself, let's break it down and understand each word. Mint. Mint refers to a type of herb that is known for its fresh and aromatic leaves. It's commonly used in cooking, tea, and even in some types of medicine. Mint plants are easy to recognize due to their distinct smell and the cool, refreshing sensation they give. Leaf. A leaf is the green, flat part of a plant that grows from the stem or branch. Leaves are crucial for plants as they are involved in the process of photosynthesis, helping the plant to produce its own food. Now that we know what each word means separately, let's put them together. A mint leaf simply refers to a leaf that comes from any plant in the mint family. There are many types of mint, like peppermint and spearmint, and they all have their unique flavors and uses. When we talk about a mint leaf, we are talking about a single leaf from any of these plants. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's go through some examples. 1. Could you please add a few mint leaves to my tea? 2. Here, the speaker is asking someone to put some leaves from a mint plant into their tea. 3. I love the smell of fresh mint leaves in the garden. 4. In this sentence, the speaker is expressing their enjoyment of the aroma that comes from the mint leaves growing in the garden. 5. Mint leaves can be used to make a refreshing summer drink. 6. This sentence explains one of the uses of mint leaves. By using mint leaf in sentences like these, you can communicate more specifically and clearly. And that's it for today's video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what mint leaf means and how to use it in sentences. Remember, learning these small phrases and understanding their meanings can really help in improving your English language skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.